everyone, welcome to EduTap. Welcome to another success story session. And we have with us today Miss Gayatri Sinha, and she's currently working in the central bank as CSA. So, first of all, many congratulations to you, Gayatri,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
and welcome to the session as well. How are you feeling now that you have
I'm,
cleared JAB?
I'm feeling good. It's kind of milestone I think I've achieved. It's feel good.
तो आपको बैंक में कितना टाइम हुआ है आए हुए?
I'm about to complete a year in July. अभी ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ है.
ओके, तो ये डेफिनेटली एक अचीवमेंट है कि आपने विद इन अ फ्यू मंथ्स, एज यू जस्ट टोल्ड मी, कि 10 मंथ्स इनटू द इंडस्ट्री एंड यू हैव ऑलरेडी क्वालिफाइड जैब, राइट?
Yes, I did.
तो हाउ मच टाइम, एंड फर्स्टली आई वुड लाइक टू नो कि इतनी जल्दी आपको मोटिवेशन कहाँ से आई, लाइक व्हाट मेड यू डिसाइड कि यू हैव टू गो फॉर जैब एट दिस अर्ली स्टेज इन योर करियर?
So मतलब मैं ऑलरेडी पढ़ाई से थोड़ा टच में थी. So I didn't want to lose that and I want to continue it. And there were two major reasons. Early promotions and early increment. ये दो मेजर रीजंस थे जिसकी वजह से मैं काफी मोटिवेटेड थी जॉब देने के लिए.
ओके, तो आपने अपनी प्रेपरेशंस कब से स्टार्ट करी?
I started my job preparation before 1.5 months, I guess. So I had my exams in May and then I started preparing in March starting.
ओके,
Hmm.
तो बैंक का जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है वो, प्लस आई एम श्योर घर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, एंड स्पेशली एज वुमेन कुछ थोड़ी सी एडेड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज तो होती हैं इनहेरेंटली,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
एंड देन अलोंग विद इट जॉब एज वेल, तो आपने कैसे मैनेज किया ये सब?
See, initially कुछ दिनों में तो it was pretty difficult क्योंकि आओ then you are tired and then you have to put your mind in all the studies you do. And since I'm living away from home, so I have to do all the household chores as well. So initially for 2-3 days it was very difficult, but the motivation I got from inside made it all happen, that I have to manage everything. And even if I'm tired, I used to rest a bit and then go for my studies because the motivation to clear the jab in first attempt was enough for me कि मैं कर लूँ बस.
तो मतलब आप बहुत फोकस थे और आपने डिसाइड किया एंड देन यू वेंट फॉर इट राइट अवे?
Yes, yes. So when I started preparing for jab, so initially I was like कि इस attempt में ही करना है, there is no other chance. So I have to do it. So मैंने अपना mind पहले ही बना लिया था कि हाँ करना है तो anyhow you have to do it.
ओके, तो आपने टाइम मैनेज फिर कैसे किया? आई वुड लाइक टू नो लिटिल बिट, यू नो, dig in, look in deeper to your schedule. कैसे आपने मैनेज किया
Yeah,
बैंक से आके?
since according to my working hours, I used to come home by 6:30 p.m. I used to rest for an hour or so, eat a bit, rest a bit, and then उसके बाद से in the session of 1.5 hours, I used to study till I get a lot sleepy. So I
ओके,
used to complete my sleep cycle in the morning, and I managed my study hours after my working hours.
okay, so you started small but you were consistent throughout.
Yes, the consistency is the major key. I start even if I wasn't able to study for long hours, I used to study for half an hour. कि इतना तो पढ़ ही लेते हैं, then I'll increase gradually.
ओके, तो आपकी एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड, इज इट फ्रॉम कॉमर्स ओनली?
No, no, I did my graduation from humanities. It was a mixture of political science and economics.
ओके, सो कॉमर्स इज एंटायरली अ न्यू सब्जेक्ट टू यू.
It was entirely a new subject for me.
ओके, सो हाउ डिड यू कोप अप विद दैट?
Initially, I thought it was difficult, but जब थोड़ा research किया सब किया and eventually EduTap helped me a lot. Whatever the YouTube videos were, so like AFM was very new for me. I didn't know anything of accounts, anything,
ओके,
not even A of accounts. So whatever I studied, it was from EduTap, and the videos were so clear that it didn't even make me feel anything which is difficult. It made everything easier.
या बिकॉज कॉमर्स समझने में, बिकॉज पीपल हु आर स्टडिंग इट in their 11th and 12th standard and then
Yeah.
reading it again in the graduation part, उसके बाद भी they find it difficult, but it's really amazing to see कि आपने सिर्फ 1.5 महीने में preparation से you ace the commerce subject as well. So AFM में how much did you score, if I may ask?
I scored bare minimum in AFM so that I could pass. It was 45.
Okay, but
And I
still you
managed
managed
in
to.
every, yeah.
Great, great, great. So what was your strategy to clear JAB in one go? Like,
There was no hard and fast rule. I followed the consistency as we discussed earlier कि आप थोड़ा सा भी पढ़ो पर पढ़ो ताकि आपका जो टच है पुरानी पढ़ाई से वो छूटे ना बिकॉज वंस यू लीव द टच यू विल स्टार्ट फॉरगेटिंग थिंग्स सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप एक जो चीज पढ़ रहे हो जस्ट रिवाइज कर इट कंसिस्टेंटली एंड द मेजर थिंग विच आई फॉलोड वाज get it in the question and answer form because everything was MCQ based. You don't have to write anything in that. There's nothing descriptive. So make it in a question form and what other questions can you make from it? So just visualize it in that form.
so you focused a lot on the PYQs and MCQ part, right?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so any sources, particular sources that you referred to while preparing?
See, I majorly and only followed EduTab.
Okay.
So initially, I was very confused कि कहाँ से करना है because there are a lot of sources. There's ample amount of source on internet. So when I started watching EduTab ki videos initially, so they are divided into three parts. They were like detailed videos, capsule videos, and MCQs. So I read and I learned from detailed videos initially. And then for revision, I followed MCQ videos because everything was covered in that and everything was in MCQ form. So it gave me a brief idea that how the questions are going to be in the real exam.
Okay, so basically you ditched the traditional method and going by the book wala, and you just focused on the examination oriented content.
Yes, yes, I did.
ओके, तो आपने सारा सिलेबस कवर किया या आपने टारगेट किया कि सारे ही सिलेबस को मैं एक बार क्विकली गो थ्रू कर लूं विद इम्पोर्टेंट
I
टॉपिक्स, या लाइक आई वुड लाइक टू नो लिटिल बिट अबाउट दैट.
I tried. I tried to cover all the topics because आपको नहीं पता कि आपको जो टॉपिक में से भी चीजें आती हैं वो एक्चुअली आप क्रैक कर पाओगे या नहीं कर पाओगे. This is my point of view. So I tried to cover most of the syllabus as much as I could. But then eventually 2 days before or 3 days before, so I tried focusing on important topics. Like this is what I found important. So I revised it again and again. So there were also list of important topics on your website, I guess. So I majorly focused on that in the eventual part.
ओके, तो कौन से कंपोनेंट आपको बहुत इजी लगे, लाइक यू एंजॉयड रीडिंग देम, एंड कौन से कंपोनेंट, एएफएम आई एम श्योर बिकॉज यू हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड दैट इट वाज वेरी
Yeah.
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टू यू, बट उसके अलावा लाइक कौन सा कंपोनेंट था जो आपको लगा कि यार ये ना भी होता तो मतलब इट वुड हैव बीन बेटर?
I think AFM तो first step रख ही लो कि AFM
तो है
was
ही.
very difficult for me and even the ratios were very new to me. तो उनको याद रखने में और grasp करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी. And then eventually, I don't think so that because I was particularly familiar to economics, so IEFS was very much familiar to me. PPB was something which was related to my work, so I enjoyed it. And retail banking and wealth management was at the second number. That
ओके,
there were some things which were boring. There were some things कि ठीक है अब इसको याद करूं तो कैसे करूं ऐसे वाला.
अच्छा, तो ग्रास्पिंग पार्ट थोड़ा सा टफ था, अदरवाइज
Otherwise,
पीपीबी इज वेरी प्रैक्टिकल, तो वो साथ में ही हो गया, राइट?
yes, yes.
ओके, तो किसी टाइम पे आपको ऐसे लगा कि सिंस यू आर जगलिंग इतनी सारी चीजों के बीच में कि यार छोड़ो, नहीं हो पा रहा, स्ट्रेस बहुत ज्यादा हो गया एंड मे बी दिस इज द टाइम कि अगले अटेम्प्ट में देखते हैं? वर देयर
हाँ
मोमेंट्स
ऐसा
लाइक दैट?
होता था. There were moments like that कि there are unlimited attempts. तो आप नेक्स्ट टाइम में कर लेना, नेक्स्ट टाइम में कर लेना ऐसा होता है. बट वो प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन को ही डिच करना इज द मेजर
इम्पोर्टेंट.
हर्डल. कि नेक्स्ट टाइम तो देयर विल बी नेक्स्ट टाइम इन एवरी टाइम. So you have
ट्रू.
to be very focused कि इस बार चलो even if you're not able to do some subjects, even if you think AFM difficult है, so try focusing कि ये 2 subjects करने हैं तो ये वाले attempt में कर लेने हैं.
वेरी वेल सेड कि देयर विल ऑलवेज बी अ नेक्स्ट टाइम। तो प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करना है अगर, तो ये चीज के लिए तो देयर विल ऑलवेज बी अ नेक्स्ट टाइम, है ना, तो
यस
उस चीज को
यस।
अवॉइड करना है।
हाँ
तो
जी।
आपने क्या माइंडसेट रखा कि प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट नहीं करना, फर्स्ट ही अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर करना है? आपको जब ऐसे मोमेंट्स आते थे तो आप क्या, व्हाट यू यूज टू टेल टू योरसेल्फ?
There was no essay motivational speech. So when I started preparing, पहले थोड़ा mindset एकदम clear कर लिया था. बीच बीच में जब आते थे ये thoughts, so I tried to give rest to my mind कि ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, if you're not able to do it right now, थोड़ा time ले लो and then you'll do it. But I every time used to tell myself कि it's okay, अभी clear करना है, अभी clear करना है. You don't know whether you'll be able to learn or study properly next time or not. So this is the only thing which I told myself, that this is the only time you have to clear it right now only.
Okay. Because I assume that you have just joined the banking sector and new job and you just graduated as well. तो होता है ना कि यार थोड़ा टाइम तो अपनी नई जॉब enjoy कर ले and then अगला पढ़ाई वाला पार्ट देखेंगे. But
हाँ
it's really
हाँ.
phenomenal if you have that mindset and you ace through it कि नहीं, I have to do it in the first attempt, and you like dedicated your whole time and energy into it. तो इसके बाद आपका फिर what are the plans? Like what are you planning ahead?
So I have planned to give CIB as well, but as of now it's a bit far, so I'm pretty relaxed. So when it'll approach, I'll definitely start preparing for it. So next step is anyway CIB.
ओके, तो आपकी उसके लिए कोई स्ट्रैटेजी है अभी दिमाग में, या आप देखोगे फॉर व्हेन इट विल अराइव?
Yes, it will when it will arrive, I'll look into it.
ओके, ग्रेट. तो as you told me that you are staying away from your family, so you have like supportive friends, or what were your emotional support during this time?
I have my roommates. We all were preparing.
Okay.
Yes, yes, we all were preparing. And after seeing them, I got even more motivated. If they can do it, I can do it too.
Yeah.
And even if, and another emotional support was my mother. So I always ranted to her that, नहीं हो रहा है, let's see, देखते हैं. और एग्जाम देने के बाद भी मतलब इवन प्रिपेयर कर रही होती थी तो she used to ask me कैसा चल रहा है. So I used to say हाँ देखते हैं. But she always motivated me in that कि कोई बात नहीं, जितना हो रहा है उतना कर लो, बाकी देख लेंगे आगे.
So that's great to have a supportive structure, emotional, be it family, be it friends. It's good to have supportive people around
Indeed,
you.
indeed, yes.
Okay. So, any tips or anything that you would like to advise to people who are preparing for JAB, and especially the newcomers, like the people who have just joined the banking industry or who are just working in their new jobs? तो आप क्या advice देना चाहोगे उनको?
I would like to advise them that go with your own pace. If your work life balance is not allowing you to do it right now, you can take your time. Don't go with the peer pressure. And the second point is if you're preparing for JAB, then you have to be focused on conceptual knowledge as well as objective knowledge. ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ MCQs आ रहे हैं तो वो 4 options आएंगे and then you have to pick the correct one. You have to be conceptually sound in order to choose the right option. So there is no shortcuts in it. You have to study in detail. And after giving the exam, I'm very sure that the level is increasing every time. And then you have to be very sound in your knowledge. You have to know everything in order to do it. And uh, yes, this is all I would like to advise.
तो हाउ मच, लाइक आइडियली आपको क्या लगता है कितना टाइम जो है एक कैंडिडेट को देना चाहिए while preparing ideally?
2 months with proper consistency and proper focus.
Hmm. That's wonderful. Okay, so it was absolutely great talking to you, Gayatri. I
Thank
wish you
you.
all the very, very best. And I'm sure you'll clear CAB very soon as well, and we'll be meeting again for that.
Thank
But
you.
I had a great time, and I'm sure your journey have had some very like good insights that would help the other candidates as well. So thank you everyone for watching this session. and you all have a very good day.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.